autumn session. Teachers' Day is being celebrated throughout Meghalaya today along with the rest of the country. The day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of educationist and former President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. The official function was organized at the State Central Library, where Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma was the chief guest. On the occasion, awards were also presented to the teacher awardees, while a special project under SSA was also inaugurated. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Sneo Bhalandhar attended the 62nd Teachers' Day celebration at Jowai. In his address, the Deputy Chief Minister lauded the teachers for their efforts in shaping society and the nation as a whole by producing exceptional students from the district.
And she was very...
Again, a happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers of all levels, of all districts across the state and across the country. May your service and may your dedication will always to be remembered in the days to come. One thing in the teacher's profession that it happens, teachers never fail. As a teacher, we never fail. But as a teacher, if somebody fails, he is and she is extraordinary and he is exceptional.